Okay, so hello everyone and welcome back to today's webinar. So today I am in mood to discuss with you a very special case, a case of a behavior disorder of a sorrowful girl. And this was one of my first case with the rare remedy. So I am in very much intact with this case. So let's start without wasting any time. Okay, so I had a history of this girl a bit, on the previous day her father gave me some of the history that his daughter had some behavior disorder and she was dropped out from the school the previous year. She was dropped down. She neglect doing her household work, and he has some sleep disturbance as well. That was the major history that her father gave. So when this girl entered my chamber, with a very pity and sorrow face. Even I was feeling the guilt when I saw her. And what was the conversation? I want to narrate it. How are you, miss? What happened to you? After some time, the patient talked in low voice because she was a very introvert patient. I feel the irritation all the time. Can't sleep well. Got lazy easily. So yeah, what bother you the most? She answered, taking the large doses of allopathy medicine. I don't like taking the medicine. I have a fear that it didn't suit me. Okay, so again I have to repeatedly take the medicine. So I asked, what is your routine all day around in order to communicate her more, because she's an introvert girl. I used to wake up early in the morning at 6 a.m. Then I exercise according to my mother. Her face become more dull when she said that. When she said then I have to exercise according to my mother. Her face become more dull. Then I go to tuition in the morning. Then I came back to tuition for lunch. After then I does my homework given to me in the tuition. Then I see some movies. Generally I like horror movie and comedy shows as they have some thrill in it. And then I go to sleep by 10 p.m. Okay, so do you like exercise? Because I saw her change face expression at that time when she talked about the exercise. So what does patient reply? That the major core of the case. I want to do exercise by my own, but my mother always used to force me up to do exercise by her will. It irritates and disturbs me the most. She always used to force me to do exercise, whether as I also know how to do exercise by myself. So that was the major core. So how does you feel at that time? I feel like trapped. That's what she said. She always used to force me according to her will. I wanted to do exercise in my way out. I have learned exercise by watching YouTube. I know more than her. Why should I listen to her? That's the major core of this case. Anything more which bothers you? I asked. My sister irritates me a lot. She used to mock me a lot. How? I asked. She used to dirty the kitchen all the time. She didn't know cooking, but she does think. She used to watch TV at high volume. Why do you drop from the school? Because I know her history. She was dropped out from school. So then I asked, why does you dropped out from the school? Because she become more communicative now. People there irritates me a lot, she said. I said, how? There was a group of girls who used to always complain about me. I used to eat meal at given time, but they used to complain the warden that I haven't eaten the meal. So then what happened? The warden used to scold me. I have to forcefully eat the meal again. I feel harassed because of that. Her face becomes sorrowful and dull again. So that was the case. And so let's start the analysis of this case. So first we will analyze the kingdom of this case, because I was doing the most sensation method nowadays. So what was the kingdom of this case? The major theme is of victim and aggressor. Because of them, because of my mother, I have to suffer. I can do exercise by my own. Because of the warden, because of the warden and the children in the school, I have to eat the meal again. There is a theme of victim and aggressor. I versus other was more prominent. The issue of survival, we can see, how can I do things by my own way? The conclusion is this is an animal kingdom. That's all clear in this case. Now the sub kingdom. I was a bit confused about it, and later on I was confirmed that it is of class A's. The feeling of trapped, free from responsibility. She didn't want to do things she want to do things by her own. Don't want to listen to anyone. She want to do work by own, free from responsibility. She want to fight against the superiority, her mother, her warden. She want to control things in her own way, and she feel dominated. says the major theme of domination was also there in the class A's. So I confirm that there is a class A's. Now the core rubric, that's the mode. Because of this core rubric, I got into this case more clearly. The core rubric was anxiety, do something when compelled to. Only 4 medicine: bryonia, carcinosin, Falco-P and streptococcin. My interpretation of this remedy, she feel anxiety when she was forced to do tasks according to others' will. That was the major core. Because of her mother, she used to do exercise. Because of the children in the school, she used to again eat the food. That's the major core. And some other rubric that I have to: anxiety to do, compelled to, fear medicine taking too much, that is there in the case, duty aversion to, her father told me about it, delusion, imagination dominated she is, that's always there, indifferent, apathy, duties to domestic, that's always there in the case. So remedy which was prescribed, the Falco peregrinus decliprenatus 1 ml single dose was prescribed. As you can see here in the picture, the Falco-P remedy made from the eagle, part used of blood and feather. So the first follow-up, she came to the clinic. Patient, I am okay now. Irritation has reduced. Now my mother listened to me now, and I used to do things by my own. Further, she had started a bit of household work, and she used to exercise by her own, but her sleep didn't improve that much. And what I noticed in the first follow-up, the smile in the face, that sorrowness has converted into a smile because of our remedy Falco-P. So I repeated it to the sleep disturbance, I repeated the Falco-P again. And second follow-up, I had a good concentration as well. She has a difficulty in concentration in studies as well. I have a nice sleep now. Irritation is much less. Sleep is good. Thanks a lot, doctor, for your support. And I can still see the cheerfulness in it, the gladness in it, and it amuses me a lot. So that was a case, a very special case. So at last I want to show reverence to all my gurus who taught me so much. You can contact me in shan25smilewalk@gmail.com and do subscribe to my channel.